What is up again, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're back again, man, with Lady Leshurr, man. Astronaut. She have her EP named Astronaut, so that song is straight off of the EP named Astronaut. My tress is still hurting from the last one. My tress is still hurting from the last one. My tress. Let's go, man. Let's go. Let's jump to another one and just do it, man. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. From the last video, me chuck away my lighter. Me still can't find my lighter. I'm gonna have to have a good look sometime soon, but let's go. Yeah.
Dusty goods.
Okay, alright, give me the mic. Smoking it out, MC, give me the light. Sing cap on every day, living a lie.
This girl rhythm choice is just different. Like, them so, like, you're huffing at your head. And things that she has said, you cannot get distracted by the rhythm. Either you have to listen to what she has said, cause she has spit for rapid. Fuck. Yo, let's go, man.
Them vibes say no on, I'm in a light low. I don't care if you got a million likes. My flow's still they're not feeling alright. I won't chill the bar, vanilla ice, and they come hard, let off, healing a bite.
Who is that? Her mom? Oh, that's her YouTube thing. Is that the gold one, right? That's the gold one, right? That's the gold one. Because she have over 1 million subs now. Pan thing there. This is her apartment still. Yeah. Yo. That girl that different, man. She in a class by herself. Me not see nobody where I compete with she right now.
It's me that you're peddling from. Too ill, brother. I don't need a medicine done. Cause the flow is a weapon. I got Arsenal, you'll see red too, like a Bellerin top.
You got Arsenal, you see red too, like a villain. Yo, that girl listen, man. Yo, what? Lady Leshurr, I have a question for you. What are you meds in when you sit down and put them freestyler together? What are your meds? What is your meds? What is your state of mind when you think about these rhymes? What you do?
Mother to the mic with your weathering gone. The gas died out, so your weathering got. Not me though, everything God. If I come together, you boy, everything gone like.
You're so animated. If I come to you dance through, boy, everything done. Yo. I'm not gonna kill up myself on this one. I'm just gonna take it easy, cause me really want me. Let's go,
Me broke down the dance like me hopped out the car with boo 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 boo. Them.
That is from our screen speech. So this is where IVD get the style from, which is do. This is what she said on the last one. Me do don't use it, cause your teeth me style. And I try style me. Pussy don't try style me. That's what she said to IVD in the last one.
Me broke down the dance like me hopped out the car with boo 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 boo.
A fair style for true. People, if you don't agree, say that style is fair style. It's fair style that IVD use in our daily dopey freestyle. Leave a comment down below and let me know if I'm right. A fair style or not. Is it Lady Leshurr style? IVD.
Them girl do witchcraft, do. Me from a.
Them girl do witchcraft.
Like do. Me hopped out the car with boo 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 boo. Them girl do witchcraft, do.
Them girl do witchcraft, voodoo, juju. Voodoo, where Jamaica we call it obia. African call it juju. And the rest of the world call it voodoo, I think. And some places Africa too. And yeah, it's just different names for the same thing.
Move from me with your bad energies. I'm the queen of the flow, share mad melodies. Say a prayer for the pagans and enemies.
Move from me with the bad energy. Move from me with the. We don't need your bad energy over here, so keep it to your fucking self. That's what she has said. You see me? She said something like that.
Move from me with your bad energies. I'm the queen of the flow, share mad melodies.
Yeah, she is the queen of the floor. Mad melodies. Metaphors, similes, every fucking thing dip on point, brother. You know what? You're not a beef. Even if you're a man, don't get me wrong, she will kill your blood clot. See me, she will kill.
A prayer for the pagans and enemies. When I look in the scene, all I see is me. Ooh. Calm, they know about this boss. He didn't want to see me win, he's lost.
Calm, they know about this boss. He didn't want to see me win. Why will you go? You're lost. Me still I go win. Whatever you take it, me still I go win. You can't stop me from win. I'm a winner.
Without a trace, you'll get caught. Take your wig into space. Lift up.
IVD, not IVD, Lady Leshurr, I still ask you, What are you medsing when you write them bars here? You have to go answer me in the comment section later.
Shots, it's basketball. Me turn judge now. Send girl back to court. I really do this practical. I need space like an astronaut. Say
What? What?
judge now. Send girl back to court. Get caught. Take your wig into space. Lift up. Full shots, it's basketball. Me turn judge now. Send girl back to court.
Me turn judge now. Send girl back to court. Back to court. Get it? Wordplay. Court as in the court system. The law. No. Back to court as in the basketball court. Me send it back there so cause remember say me can't yo blood clot.
I really do this practical. I need space like an astronaut. Say NASA.
She needs space like an astronaut. Our EP name is Astronaut. Go and cop our EP if you haven't done so yet. Go and stream it online. You know, she's back. She's back. Lady Leshurr is fucking back. Brother. Big up Lady Leshurr. Big up herself, mama. Guys. If you enjoy. This was a very short reaction. I think this is my shortest reaction I've done. If you like it, please leave a like on it. Please comment and let me know. Please subscribe if you're new around here. Big up all of the subs and the viewers because I know a lot of people view and don't sub. Big up on yourself. Same way the door is always open and you can always click the subscription button and give your boy some love. You know what I mean? I really appreciate it. I just buck up on a next freestyle with she and somebody else. I'm gonna do a reaction to it next. Yeah, let's go. Peace.